Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a use case diagram in Draw.io. So this is an example right here. I'll show you how to achieve something like this. The first thing I want you to do is come in the left-hand panel, click on More Shapes, scroll down here under Software. Just make sure that UML 2.5 and UML are actually checked so you can actually go ahead and use these shapes, okay? Then just click on Apply. And then on the left-hand panel, you should see these shapes. Now, if you want to go ahead and bring in actors, for example, a customer, all you need to do is just come here and use this shape. You just drag and drop it, okay? You can, of course, change the text. Let's change the color first. So here on the right-hand panel, you'll see style. You can change the color, let's say to this one right here. And to change the text is very easy. All you need to do is double click on the shape and then you can change the text. So let's say customer, okay? And then if you want to bring these in, these are the use cases. You just come here and drag and drop the use case. Of course, you can double click to change the text. So let's say register, and then to change the color, of course, just click on it, change the style. Now to bring in these arrows, it's very easy. You click on any shape and then you'll see these points, okay? These small X's, these are connection points. So once you hover over them, you can click on this icon. So as you can see next to my cursor, there's a plus icon. So I can drag and drop an arrow to another connection point or to the entire shape, just like that. And then these are connected now, as you can see. Okay, so you can go ahead and do that. If you want to change the arrow style, you can click on the arrow. You can change this from sharp to, let's say, rounded or curved. Okay, really easy. And that is how you can go ahead and proceed to create your use case diagram.